Hi, we're team number 2 and we are going to present storytelling about the ideal Mexico based on ICTs. But first, what are ICTs? Nowadays, we know that technology is in every aspect of our lives. It affects the way we learn, understand, and communicate. These changes and innovations related to technology can be assumed, and it is what called ICTs. But what are ICTs? According to UNESCO, information and communication technologies are a set of technological tools and resources used to transmit, store, create, share, or exchange information. In other words, ICTs are everything we use to communicate on the internet, such as Wi Fi, browser servers, infrastructure, network components, emails, messenger, websites, online newspaper, video conferencing, among others.
Understanding in a clearer way what an ICT is, it is important to know what countries are in the usage of these technologies. The ICT Development Index is used to monitor and understand the developments in information and communication technologies, and has the progress, extend their use, and the evolution of these technologies as main objectives. According to the International Telecommunication Union and its annual index country rankings data, there are 20 countries that are leading in terms of ICT access, use, and skills. The ICT's Development Index tells us that the countries that are leading the top are Iceland, South Korea, Switzerland, Denmark, United Kingdom, China, Hong Kong, Netherlands, Norway, Luxembourg, Japan, Sweden, Germany, Australia, France, United States, Estonia, Singapore, Monaco, and Ireland, finishing our 20 countries and cities list.
Now that we know the top countries in the world in the information and communication technologies area, we wonder about Mexico. How is Mexico in the ICTs area? In the Global Innovation Index from 2021, Mexico was ranked in the 56th position in ICTs. And, according to data from the same year, 34.04 million Mexicans
Comparing
still
Mexico
don't have
with leading
access to
countries on
internet,
ICTs,
which represents
we can see that there is room
26%
for
of the
improvement.
total population.
For example, South
Given that the
Korea has
primary reason
97%
why
of its
people using
population with
internet is to
internet
find
access
information,
and an
it is
average
safe to
download
say
speed
that a
of
significant part of the
112
population
megabit per
is losing
second.
the opportunity to have free
Iceland,
access to the
with
information
98%,
available on the web.
it's the first country on the ICT ranking. However, Mexico isn't that bad. Countries like Greece, with 78%, and Italy, with 76%, are similar to Mexico, with 74% of its population with internet access.
To get Mexico on the same level as these countries, we plan a solution based on the work that has already been done in the country before. Ideas such as getting free access to Wi-Fi in public spaces have been seen before in cities like Mexico City since 2021, where some people actually can go to the street outside of their houses to get free Wi-Fi access. The reason why this phenomenon is possible is because of the installation of 7,255 Wi-Fi poles around the city halls. The plan we have is to get at least one of the same internet poles to each one of the 1,812 towns and cities, over 5,000 people that exist in Mexico. The poles will be located in the central squares of every locality for easy access, taking into consideration that almost every town in Mexico has one of these places. The consequences this plan could have are countless. Not only social consequences like connecting to our loved ones in faraway places will be possible. This project could also be an important economic enhancer. People of remote villages will be able to get the same opportunities of communicating ideas than a person living in a big city. The easy sharing of ideas will make more projects possible to be done, and new innovators and entrepreneurs will emerge from all over the country, supporting the economy and development of the nation.